It was mango season in Whispering Jungle. Golden fruits dangled from trees like treasure, soft, sweet, and dripping with juice. Miko the monkey was in heaven. He'd already eaten 5, maybe 6. He wasn't counting. But now, he wanted more. Not just any mango, the highest one, the biggest one, the one hanging right above a hornet nest. Finu the firefly zipped over, blinking nervously. Miko, maybe not that one? Miko waved her off. Please, I'm a professional. From a nearby bush, Rinku the rabbit whispered, Dude, it's buzzing. Exactly, Miko grinned. The best mangoes are always guarded. He climbed the tree, crept toward the golden fruit, and with one dramatic leap, snap, he yanked it down. The branch wobbled. The nest trembled. Finu blinked rapidly. Run. Buzz! A black cloud of angry hornets exploded from the nest. Miko screamed, Monkey emergency! And dove through the vines, mango still in hand. He swung left. He swung right. Hornets followed. Bzzz! He slid down Gopu's back mid-gallop. He crashed through Lali's seed pile. He jumped into the stream and out the other side. But they kept coming until finally he reached a thick bush, dropped the mango and dove in. Hornets hovered, sniffed, then left. Silence. Miko peeked out, covered in scratches, muddy, tired, and no mango. Gopu walked over. He said nothing, just waited. Miko looked up and said, I chased the mango, and it chased back. Lali fluttered down, eyeing the scattered seeds. You could have just asked for help, she said. Finu landed on his nose. You always do this. Miko sighed. I know. Then, from behind a tree, a baby squirrel waddled forward holding the mango. She looked up. It fell in front of my house. I didn't bite it. Want it back? Miko smiled softly. He looked around at his friends, then back at the squirrel. You know what? He said. Let's share it. And they did. 1 mango. 5 friends. No stings. Moral: if you chase something the wrong way, it might chase you back.